Great, did I just break it? Oh, hello. Welcome to Blue Doors channel for another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. We been sanctioned. No, that's not the right word. Sanctioned. Consolidated? No, we ain't been consolidated. Commissioned. That's the word I was looking for. Hey, welcome to Blue Doors channel with the Dickin Around in the Shed. Run an intro. We'll commission something. So, we, been commissioned to make something, somebody asked me, can I do something? I said, well, only way to find out if you can is to do it, so I'm doing it. Oh yeah, I got a oil change coming up. That's probably be next episode, maybe. Getting ready for VAM is coming up quick. Well, let's see if this air, I don't know, be the week of, and you won't see it. Anyway, July 11th through the 13th, VAM, if it hadn't already. So I got this made. That's 6 foot. I need to make up a chart to see how many bigger circle I can make with how much metal I need to make that circle. That's 6 foot right there. Don't look like it, but it's 6 foot. I don't know if I want to make it that big or not. You know, give or take. It might work. So let me get set up here. I got to do some heating and beating and banging. Alright, we're through taking pictures. This makes a 6 foot, makes almost, it'll make a 2 foot round, 22 inches of circle, I guess. Yeah, 22. So this is my roller. I'm gonna roll it some more. See if I make I know I can make a smaller circle. We just cut off what we don't need. Get over there. So you just roll it, and it makes it a circle. You gotta make sure you don't roll it off the circle too. Alright. That's still 22. So I didn't bend it any. So let's tighten that up, make a smaller circle. Alright, now we made a smaller circle, and I'll cut off where I want to put it. I think that'll look better. You don't want it huge. You don't want it small either. Oh, and I got another idea I seen that I'm going to use this technique and make a wind chime. Yeah, that'd be fun. That'd be something artsy fartsy to make later. Whew, let's finish this commissioner thingy I'm doing. Yeah. I don't believe I showed y'all. I made my rack bigger, different. Yeah, I think y'all seen these, but y'all hadn't seen these. So I can put my round wire bar, keep them separated. You don't know what I got. I know what I got. And I don't know what I got. I got quarters. These are 3/16. And this piece of 3/8. 5/16 is what we're using today. 12, folks. We just barely did have enough to make the last of the M's or W's. Hell, I forgot what I made. It's M's or W's. But anyway, we just barely had enough oxygens. Not the kind we breathe, but the kind we burn in our gas tanks. Yeah, oxygen acetylene. So let me cut these and figure out if they M's or W's. And then I got an L here. Or is it a 7? Hell, I don't know. CO. I'm cup holder. I like it, so I can move my drinks around. If I can set it over here on this wall. See? What? Look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. Look here. Harbor Freight cup holder. I can have Abma anywhere I go in the shed that I can put on the metal wood. You can pick yourself a Harbor Freight cup holder at any of your local Harbor Freight, Harbor Freight, however you want to say it, stores. Or you can order offline. The link will be in the description. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Hello, hello. CO. So I figured out that that's roughly 16 inches. So I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut this. Peek myself. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut this somehow. Ah, boy. Oh, boy. Boo, 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 boo. If you would just hold yourself out like that. And we'll weld them together, like so, and we'll have a circle, semicircle, sippy sipper, sipper. Hello, welcome back to the flowers department. This is how tall they are. They solar power, and you turn them on. Oh, I forgot. It won't work because I cut the wire. But anyway, that's what I'm doing now. I figured out I can shorten this part right here and sort of fit in here. And that's what we're doing. So now we come to the wiring proportion. And so I'm going to shorten this wire and wire it back together and see what it works, how it works. It worked. I know it worked. It's me. So let me do that. We'll be right back with it. We're all ready, folks. How y'all doing? How your mama and them? Hope you enjoyed this episode. This is just a gist of it, of what I made. You call it what you want. I call it done. It just needs, messed up on this one. I should have shortened it. Maybe the same size. I don't know what I did, but I messed up. But anyway, I fixed it. It looks good. These lights up, they solar power. I'll turn on when it gets dark. See, put my hand over it, they light up. I don't know if you can see that. It says welcome. You know, when you put one of these welcome signs out, you're just welcoming everybody. Need to no trespassing. Anyway, that's what I did. It's almost done. I just need to put some stakes out here on the bottom. Not the kind you eat, but the kind you stick in the ground. And that should be it. So I'm going to do that right quick and then let it rest. And then I'll figure out what color I'm going to paint it. I don't know yet. We'll figure that one out too. I thought I had some yellow, but I don't see any over there. Green and yellow. I don't know. Blue and red. White and I don't have no white. Anyway, I'll figure that out. But if you that's all, folks. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button right here and we'll diddle around some more later.